What happens to the millions of aluminum cans people throw away every single day? Most of us finish a drink, toss the can into a recycling bin, and never think about it again. But behind the scenes, an incredible industrial process is taking place. Inside massive recycling factories, used aluminum cans are collected, crushed, melted, and transformed into brand new products. What looks like simple trash is actually one of the most valuable recyclable materials on Earth. Today, we're going inside a giant recycling facility to discover how millions of aluminum cans are given a second life. The journey begins at recycling collection centers, where used beverage cans arrive from homes, offices, restaurants, and public recycling programs. Every day, enormous amounts of aluminum cans are gathered and transported to processing facilities. Mountains of crushed cans quickly accumulate as trucks continue delivering new loads throughout the day. Once the cans arrive, they are unloaded onto large conveyor systems. The first stage of the process is sorting. Although the material may look similar, recycling facilities receive many different types of waste. Advanced sorting machines separate aluminum cans from plastic bottles, paper, glass, and other materials. Powerful magnets remove steel objects, while optical scanners identify aluminum with remarkable speed and accuracy. After sorting, the aluminum cans move to the cleaning stage. Any remaining liquid, dirt, labels, or contaminants must be removed before recycling can continue. Specialized equipment washes and prepares the material to ensure high-quality results during the melting process. Next comes one of the most satisfying stages of the entire operation. Giant industrial crushers compress thousands of aluminum cans into dense blocks. What once filled entire truckloads is now reduced to compact bundles that are much easier to transport and process. The transformation happens within seconds as powerful hydraulic machines apply tremendous force. The compressed aluminum then moves to shredding systems. Massive rotating blades carry the metal into smaller pieces, increasing the surface area and preparing it for melting. Conveyor belts carry the shredded aluminum through additional inspection systems that remove any remaining impurities. Now the recycled material is ready for one of the most dramatic stages of the process. The aluminum fragments enter enormous industrial furnaces where temperatures rise high enough to melt the metal completely. Inside the glowing furnaces, shredded cans are transformed into molten aluminum. Bright orange liquid metal flows through the facility as workers carefully monitor every stage of production. Once melted, the aluminum is purified to remove unwanted elements. This step helps ensure the recycled material meets strict industrial standards. One of the biggest advantages of aluminum is that it can be recycled repeatedly without losing quality. This makes it one of the most valuable and sustainable materials used in manufacturing today. After purification, the molten aluminum is poured into molds and formed into large solid blocks known as ingots. These shiny metal blocks become the raw material for future manufacturing. Once cooled, they are transported to factories where they will be transformed into new products. Many of these recycled ingots are used to produce brand new beverage cans. Others are used in automobiles, airplanes, construction materials, electronics, and countless everyday products. In many cases, an aluminum can placed into a recycling bin today can return to store shelves as a new can in just a matter of weeks. The environmental benefits are enormous. Recycling aluminum requires significantly less energy than producing new aluminum from raw materials. It reduces mining, conserves resources, and helps lower industrial emissions. Every recycled can contributes to a more efficient and sustainable manufacturing system. Modern recycling facilities operate around the clock, processing millions of cans with incredible speed and precision. From advanced sorting machines to giant furnaces filled with molten metal, every stage of the process demonstrates the power of modern industrial technology. The next time you finish a drink and place the can into a recycling bin, remember that it is not waste. It is a valuable resource beginning an extraordinary journey through one of the most impressive recycling processes in the world. And that is how millions of aluminum cans are recycled every day inside a massive recycling factory.